Alright, doing another bike upgrade. Getting rid of the old cable brakes for the rear. Installing hydraulic disc brakes. I've always had disc brakes on the front, but they weren't hydraulic before. But they're hydraulic now. Alright, so the sheathing for the old style cable brakes are gone now. Took them off. Don't need them when you got hydraulic because it's a solid tube all the way. So right now I just put the grip back on in the shifter, that way I'll know where to mount the new handle. This shifter's going bye-bye. It's a 7-speed. I'm replacing with an 8-speed. You'll see why later in this video. Okay, one little correction. It's not going on this part. This is for the shifter. It's this one. It's got to go here. I got to spread those out just a little bit and then pinch that in there. So I got to get a flat screwdriver and a pair of pliers. This it's definitely not cooperating. It's very stiff. Didn't think I was going to break that out, but some modifications had to be made. And that one too got a little bit too close. Oh well. Yeah, there's a little stop in there for these types, so this part when I was spreading it out broke off anyway. So might also make it wider, grind it a little bit, you know, and then that should just fit in like that, and then I can just zip tie it in there. Probably run some zip ties up and down the frame, and that should keep it in place. Alright, got that on there. All zip tied and everything. The damn thing should focus. And then got that feeling really nice. There is a shim between the brake pads that comes with when it's shipped, so I'm okay to squeeze on it like that, but it feels much better already. And the reason I ordered a new wheel because the original wheel that was on this does not have a thing to attach a brake disc. So since I'm upgrading the wheel, I might also upgrade from the old style freewheel to the newer style cassette that just, instead of screwing on like this one does, the cassette slips on and then there's a lock nut here. And this is a 7-speed, and I'll be upgrading to an 8-speed, which means I'll be changing this out with an 8-speed. It's going to be the same grip shifter, looks exactly the same, only it's an 8-speed, which will turn this from a, where is it? Turn this from a 21-speed to a 24. Now I gotta work on making this bike rideable again, because, well, it's my brother's bike. He never rides it, but it's a good spare bike for me, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this on it because it's higher geared than the stock freewheel that's on there, and I'll outspin this easily. Even highest gear is too easy for me on this. That's why I did the upgrades on this, like swapping that out, and you know, you've seen the randomness videos, me doing that. I'll post a link in the bottom of this video, and then you can go back and see for yourself if you'd like. Yeah, I think I'm going to start fixing my brother's bike. This is a 6-speed freewheel. I'll be putting my 7-speed on there. So that's an upgrade for him if he ever decides to ride again. And the new one goes back on just like that, and it's just hand tightened. It will self tighten as you ride. So that's all I need to do with that. Alright, got the new 8-speed shifter on there, and not gonna wire it up just yet. And got the new wheel today. I'm just test fitting it right now to see how the brake works, and yeah, it definitely stops, and Now I'm just waiting for the cassette that goes over that, and then I can go ahead and wire up the derailleur, get it adjusted, so hopefully make it writable. I put an 8-speed cassette on here, and this derailleur was advertised as a 7-speed, so I might be able to make it work. So, alright, new cassette is installed. Time to go put it on the bike. Just getting all adjusted before I put the cable back on. I can assure you that the brake does work. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I think I am going to have to replace the derailleurs. This one's meant for a 7-speed, that is an 8-speed cassette. And it's just shifting like crap right now. So, yeah, see if I can find a better derailleur than this one.
To do to Bernie Sanders if he is in that position, to do to him what they did to him in 2016 and kind of rig it against him.
Well, I talked to a member of the Democratic Rules Committee who suggested that a member of the establishment,
Just fucking around Lord Hill again. Just checking out other parts of Lord Hill that we have not explored yet. I'm answering myself too.
Oh, fucking nice.
And I'm arguing myself. Not sure what pond this is, but it looks like a pond. Is that a plastic bag over there?
Mm-hmm. Nah, I think that's just a piece of wood. Driftwood.
Huh?
Badger finger. Yeah, fire over there.
Hope I see a pond.
Casey's flying his drone.
What pond is that?
The drone is off that way somewhere. Casey's flying.
Trying to keep low. I'm hearing airplanes, so I'm trying to keep myself low. Hopefully.
Actually, I think you're hearing the highway.
Yeah, those log trucks sound no different.
Oh, there's an airplane. I hope you're not out that far.
turn on my auxiliary bottom light. Yeah, I'm not that high, so I'm safe. I'm only at 152 feet, and I said in the app I was going to fly 400, but I don't need to fly that high. Okay. Back to what I was doing.
What were you doing?
Checking out this other pond. That's pretty much a mud puddle. It's not really a pond.
Let's see how these beers fared. If it's nasty, I'm gonna dump it out. I haven't had Busch in a long time. I just remember it was just really cheap animal beer. Didn't always taste the greatest. They're definitely cold though.
And there's the other parking lot.
The lower parking lot?
Yeah. I don't know what highway bridge this is. Is that flight distance may exceed line of sight? Okay. Thanks for warning me. Oh, flight distance. It must be a new thing that they added on, so I don't go beyond line. Oh, I was over that bridge over there. I was almost, yeah.
Chicken and bacon tacos.
Yay.
But they're gonna have bacon in them.
Damn right.
Big chunks of it too. I don't fuck around. I'm doing big old chunks of bacon. You like bell pepper?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get a couple of bell peppers, do those up. I got a sweet onion at the house already. I can saute that up. Then do the bell peppers, set all that shit to the side, get the rice going. Or get the water started for the rice. Get the chicken started. Kind of squatting.
Yeah, you. Whoop.
Wingnut, moon, shitling,
What?
whatever you want to call the little shit. She's a little shit.
Oh. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Cheap entertainment.
No reaction. She's totally focused.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And let's not forget this shithead. Dunny. Meow. 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 You know, play this game again, you're gonna go up one stair at a time until I can't fucking reach you anymore. Get over here.
I think he cut the grass a little bit.
I don't want to see your ass. Come here. All right.
Yeah, this one here. First name, moon, wingnut, shitling.